How long have you been in systems now?
So
a year?
September last year, so yeah,
Early
become a year pretty soon.
So what TV programmes have you got on, or nearly got on?
Nearly on first dates. Yeah, still waiting to hear back when I'm going to be going on it. So yeah, be interesting hopefully.
And you got no fear about telling them about your hair, have you?
Nope, no fear at all. The hair's the thing that's made me apply to go on things like that. It's given me a lot more confidence. So.
Oh, that's good news. Yeah. Come on, let's have a little look at you before.
Before.
There we go.
Yeah. In all my glory.
There we go. I think you're very brave. Thank you very much, Adam. We'll end it there, okay?
Yeah.
Next time we see you, we'll have some hair on your head.
Okay, buddy.
Gets broken on BBC One, 9 o'clock. After Christina's confession last week, Sean Bean's priest, Father Michael, tries to convince her to come clean to the police. But will she listen to him? Also...
Come on then, boogie to the music, give me a spin.
Yeah.
You can boogie as well.
I'm definitely not boogie.
I'll tell you what, I like that colour, don't you?
Yeah, the colour's perfect now.
Stay there a minute, that's a money shot. Go on then, a little bit further. Stop. Mate, that looks so good. Stay there a second. I'll just do my terrible video in zoom in. There is a zoom on it, but I just moved the camera forward. you're in a top production for film setup at the moment, mate. Come on then, keep going, mate. Oh mate, I'll just stop there. That's it. And again, I'll zoom in. Think I'll make it?
No. It's not.
Oh, looks good. Hold on, I'll do the top. I'll do the top zoom. Do the side zoom. Meow. Alright, okay. If you just move around slowly again, mate. That's it. Oh, there. Stop there. That's it. That's brilliant. That looks fab. Okay, give us a smile and a thumbs up. Show us your tattoos.
Can't get all this on the video, that's just embarrassing.
Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, no, it's not. How much more have you got to do?
Just got to finish off that bit and just got to do inside down and on the back.
So how many more hours have you got?
Got another 6.
Oh wow, oh, crikey. Well, thanks very much, Adam. You're a star.